Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to make a personal portfolio using Canva. So first you have to go to sign up Canva or just type Canva and then look for sign up option. You can create an account using your email or just connect your Google account to your Canva. Once you have your Canva account, you have to go to create a design. And then here you have to search for portfolio. So there are different options for portfolio. It's up to you which one you wanted to try or use when it comes to the template. So you have this option right here. But what I'm going to click is at the portfolio website. Tap this one. Now it will take you directly to another page where you can see different templates for portfolio. So you have to go to design, and as you can see, there are tons of templates here. And I strongly suggest to use the Canva Pro or the Pro version of Canva to see this kind or type of results. What you're going to do here is just replace the picture and the information inside this portfolio. For example, the picture. You just upload a picture, drag this to the frame. You can add borders. You can change the color if you want to. And for the information, you can change the name. You can add your basic details right here. Just type your name, for example. You can change the font color if you want. And then below, you can add your job description or job title. And then you can add another text or text box right here to add information about yourself. And then once done, you can now edit this. You can add effects, change the font size, color, and so on. And if you want to add another blank page, just tap this plus icon. Go back to design to look for another template or design right here, and then add information about yourself. So basically, this is how easy it is to make a personal portfolio using Canva. You can also start from scratch if you want, but I strongly suggest to use their templates. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.